Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Hotjar for UX funnels and form optimization step by step clearly. To register with Hotjar for UX funnels and form optimization, begin by navigating to the Hotjar website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up button and click on it. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Next, select Start Free Trial. At this point, you may need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Hotjar. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Hotjar website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your first site. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. Provide the name of your website for easy identification. Select the industry your website belongs to from the provided list. Hotjar may ask about your goals for using their services. Choose options that best describe your objectives. After this, click Continue to proceed. You will now be directed to the Hotjar dashboard. From here, explore the different tools available such as heat maps, session recordings, and feedback polls. To start using UX funnels, select the Funnels option in the dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your first funnel. Define the steps in your user journey that you wish to track. Once your funnel is set up, click on Save to preserve your changes. For form optimization, navigate to the Forms section in the dashboard. Select Create New Form to begin your optimization process. Customize your forms fields according to your specific needs. Ensure to enable tracking for each form submission. After finishing customization, click Save to finalize the new form setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.